Hi there, this is a Metanoia Minute. I'm Max. Whenever I read a Neville Goddard lecture, invariably, there are not only lines that I want to write down in my notebook, but lines that, when I write them down, they sort of sit in the back of my mind, and then I notice not only that they're resonating with me, but they're getting me to consider the reality that I'm experiencing in a new and different way that I really, really needed to. Here's an example from last week. I read a lecture of his called Imagination, My Slave. God reveals to us, through the medium of dream, the level on which we stand. God reveals to us, through the medium of dream, the level on which we stand. As I say in my radio show, think about it, but not too much. Thanks for watching.